of the number of changes that are required to make an organization innovative and effective. I honestly hope that we've succeeded. What we tried to do was to not necessarily tell you what to do, but share our reflections with you. You might recall we talked about looking for new ways to recruit people who are diverse in color, race, gender, ethnicity, certainly religion. We're suggesting that as people migrate and move around from company to company, people are often looking for new challenges, new opportunities, new ways of doing things, and new ways of achieving self-actualization. Many employers can capitalize on these expectations that people have, these desires that people have. The challenge for organizations is to know how to tap into human resources. We've talked to you about innovation also in compensation programs. Many people are looking for opportunities to participate in the workplace, to make decisions, and have their ideas valued. If you're willing to accommodate these people, and keeping in mind that they're more informed than any other race, perhaps not a race, but certainly in any other period in time, you certainly can succeed in making your organization an effective and competitive organization.